Hello everyone. This is the pre-market report video for today, May 9th in the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. In the last 3 trading sessions, it was really a roller coaster ride. On Thursday, Nifty 166 points up, then Friday 189 points down, and finally yesterday again 195 points up. Almost every stock and index contributed on the positive side. Out of 50 stocks in Nifty, 42 advanced, only 8 declined, that's too marginal. Even the HDFC and HDFC Bank increased over 1% despite its pressure due to the rebalancing. So, we can say it as a index broad-based rally rather than the stock specifics. Still, Tata Motors, Bajaj Finance and IndusInd Bank steals the limelight as it increased over 4 to 5%. To my surprise, PSU banks and media are the only draggers. In the PSU banks, just SBI advanced but others dropped, which means yesterday for some reasons investors are moved from safer dividend stocks to growth stocks. Or it can be that investors are just profit booking on PSU banks before their quarterly results. Anyway, moving on. Yesterday, both FII and DAI were net buyers. FII were net buying for the last 8 consecutive trading session. They bought the shares worth approximately 2,120 crore rupees. In the last 8 days, the net bought for over 14,000 crore rupees, and yesterday, DAI's net bought shares worth approximately 250 crore rupees. Roughly in total, together, the net bought for near 2,375 crore rupees. Then, after our market hours, all 3 US major index opened flat, and in the end, all of them closed near flat as well. On Friday, US government released the new non-farm jobs addition and unemployment data for the April month, which comes as really very good. I don't want to repeat and bore you guys since we discussed enough in detail in the last pre-market video itself. Regardless, CME Fed Watch tool is giving over 88% chance that Fed will pause the US interest rate in the next month's FOMC meeting. This is very positive. But last night, Reuters released that they are expecting a 0.4% increase in inflation on month-on-month basis for April month compared to just 0.1% increase in March month. This is a negative news, but the data is a speculation. So basically, at present in US, both jobs data and unemployment data showing very good economy and also a possible high inflation. So the rate sensitive sectors such as real estate and industries drags the market, whereas sectors such as communication and consumer discretionary outperformed the broader market, hinting that the economy is strong enough to withstand further rate increases from the Federal Reserve. On the political front, US equivalent finance minister Janet Yellen again warned that there will be a dire consequences if US fail to raise the debt ceiling means. And there was an announcement that US President Biden is going to meet with House Speaker Kevin McCarthy and other top congressional leaders this week to find a solution to the debt ceiling standoff. So because of this weight, US inflation and debt ceiling issue, US market was directionless. Anyway, at the end of the day, Dow Jones lost marginally 0.17%, S&P 500 was near flat 0.05% and Nasdaq increased marginally 0.018%. Despite all this drama, VIX decreased by over 1% and moved below 17. On the tech stock world, only Apple closed negative, all others closed positive. Google increased over 2% as they announced that they are going to reveal their AI on coming Wednesday that is going to compete against ChatGPT. Here, please remember, last time it made the Google stock to lose over 100 billion US dollars in the market cap due to their AI incorrect answer on the stage unveiling. So this time we expect some consciousness from Google. And also now people realized that even ChatGPT is not that accurate. About oil, it increased over 2%. At the time of this video, WTI crude oil is trading around 73 US dollars per barrel and Brent crude oil was trading near 76.5 US dollars per barrel. Regarding Indian ADR in US market, it's too more of a balanced one. Infosys increased marginally whereas Wipro closed negative of 0.2%. And despite increasing over 1% in Indian market, ICICI Bank increased just 0.15% and HDFC Bank ADR up by just 0.5%. About SX Nifty at 3 a.m. Indian Standard Time, it ended the trading at 18,300, which is kind of indicating relatively flat or 25 points negative gap down opening. So that's what happened in the global market. Now let's move to the India related info. Yesterday there was a banking and financial sector rally, but still public sector bank got really under significant pressure. However, there is one positive public sector bank info in the aftermarket has Canara Bank Q4 results. They posted a 74% growth in their net profit in the Q4 compared to last year. For FY23, their post-tax profit was over 11,250 crore rupees compared with just 6,100 crore rupees a year ago. At present, Canara Bank's market cap is just around 57,000 crore rupees, so it's just 5 years profit whole bank's worth. It's just their net NPA which is a problem. It's 1.73%, but that too decreased from 1.96%. So I consider this result as very positive. Some might say all these was already factored in the price, but I disagree. The reason is they posted this phenomenal growth rate. Other than that, there are some Tata Steel related bad news as their plant in UK was not doing great. It burnt over 150 million US dollars in the last 6 months, and Mahanagar Gas too posted a very good quarterly results. In summary, US market was flat. IT stocks looks to open positive but don't know, and SX Nifty is indicating a 25 points gap down opening. Regarding banks, ADRs closed positive but less than or half of what it gained in the Indian market, which is kind of indicating negative. Then about the things to look out, Lupin, Raymond, Reliance Infrastructure, Apollo Tyres, Birla Corporation and Castrol are some of the major Indian companies' earnings results are scheduled to release today. And in terms of macro, not much. Just in the night, EIA is going to release their short-term energy outlook, which will have a huge impact on oil price and so does on the energy stocks in US. And there is a schedule for FOMC member speech. Coming to technical, yesterday on daily chart, Nifty forms a bullish separating line candle formation. Technically, it's a 2 candlestick pattern that forms in the uptrend, which signifies the more uptrend. I mean, the first bearish candle signifies the selling pressure. Then the second candle that opens at slightly gaps above the first candle body and formed the long bullish candle. This signifies the weakening of bearishness. And in order to maintain the positivity in the short term, Nifty has to hold 18,200. Moving below 18,200 can create a fresh selling pressure. But for now, the short-term trend looks positive. Nifty got the potential to move towards 18,300 to 18,350. And in case of Bank Nifty, it too forms a long green candle, reversing the decline of the previous session and filling Friday's opening downside gap. This is a strong positive indication suggesting that we may see further upside in the short term. But for that, it has to hold above the 43,000 mark to move up towards the 43,600, then 43,750 levels. Again, no change in moving average and technical indicator summary. It's same as last whole week, strong buy signal. From options engine open interest, there was a significant call options unwinding between 18,000 to 18,200 and significant number of new put options added between 17,950 to 18,300. So based on opening, if Nifty opens and sustains above 18,200 in the first 2 hours, then 18,200 can act as the immediate support. But by any chance, if it opens below 18,200, then we need to target support for other level. From options open interest data, 18,200 got the maximum put options followed by 18,100 and 18,000. Since both 18,200 and 18,100 also got the significant call options, thus I think 18,000 is the good support to look out for. About call options, 18,500 mark is the maximum call option open interest, so 18,500 is the resistance to break. Then coming to Bank Nifty, based on overall options open interest data, the next maximum call option open interest without put option is present at 44,000. So 44,000 is the resistance to break. Regarding put option open interest, 42,500 is the mark that got significant put option with very small call option open interest. Thus 42,500 is the support to look out for. So that's all in this video. Hope you all got some useful information. Please consider subscribing the channel and liking the video so it will help me beat the algorithm and will also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investment decision based on this as I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I'm doing it for my and viewers' educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.